Hello again, groovy guys and gals. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this demonstration is going to be on a unit, a standalone 8-track player out of a '69 GTO. This comes from my friends at TNT Precision up in Hudson, New Hampshire, and we're just doing a final test before we send her back. One of the reported problems with this unit was that it's the internal speaker switching is not working properly. When you the speaker switching in a Delco system actually occurs inside the 8-track player. It's the responsibility of the 8-track to make sure that either the radio or the 8-track is connected to the speakers, depending on whether or not there's a tape insert. So part of our test is going to be confirming that that is now working properly. So let's go ahead and pop a tape in here. We got some Anne Murray on deck. We're going to bring in our output level meters, make sure we got both sides working. We're going to rotate our balance control all the way left.
Sometimes when I feel myself reaching for
all the way right.
I can't
Okay, going to center the speakers, and now we don't need the meters anymore. Switch tracks a bunch of times.
I fall in love with you. You just hold me tight.
Between songs there.
That's why I love you.
Okay, so we know the 8-track is working. Let's make sure it's passing the speakers onto the radio when the 8-track is not being used. And you may not be able to hear this tone. I'm going to try my best. The output of my signal generator is not at speaker level, so it's going to be a faint tone that you hear. Okay, there's the right side, and there's the left side tones. And now for this test, you're just going to have to take my word for it, because I don't currently have a camera trained on my voltage meter, but we're just going to make sure that it sends that 12 volts to the radio when there's no tape insert. I'm just going to touch the radio power wire, and we do have 15.2 volts. That's the voltage that I generally use. In a car, it's going to be more like 14.4, 13.8, somewhere in that area. 12 volts in a car is actually a little bit higher than 12 volts. So we've confirmed that the signal's being passed to the radio, speakers to the radio, and power to the radio without a tape insert, and we've confirmed that the 8-track itself is working properly. So I'm out of here. I am Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I'll spare you guys the usual spiel. My phone number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you next time.